The unsafe use of fireworks can cause severe burns, amputation, blinding, and even death.
Damaging fire can occur when children use fireworks unsupervised by adults. In fact, the use of fireworks by anyone under the age of 18, even if supervised, is illegal, and parents are responsible for any property damage or injuries caused by all fireworks.
Petrofu la poke lu tolendu van tinengi za nu shalendu van tiplo te pushi jaw poke la mo petalasu.
If a firework goes up in the air or explodes, it is illegal and dangerous. Always soak fireworks in water overnight before disposing.
Never use fireworks near dry grass or other flammable materials, such as fences or even lawn furniture.
Do shi poke je nhỏ da ho tan dong ho ka to je te je kong kunya to yongyi.
Metro Fire y el local están buscando a la gente que usan, venden y compran fuegos artificiales ilegales en línea, en las calles y en nuestra comunidad.
We are looking for those who are using, selling, and buying illegal fireworks online, on the streets, and in our community.
Rancho Cordova, please report illegal fireworks activity. If you suspect the use of illegal fireworks, report incidents to RCPD with the location of the activity at 916-362-5115. Proactive patrols for illegal fireworks will take place the nights of July 3rd and 4th, 2021. Learn more about our efforts at cityofranchocordova.org/fireworks.
In the city of Citrus Heights, illegal fireworks can be reported by calling 916-727-5500.
And in Sacramento County, call 916-874-5115 or email fireworks@saccounty.net. If you believe there's an imminent hazard or a fire or injury has occurred, please call 911.